Hello people and welcome back to our channel Motivision. I and inspiration Samir Nagor. In a surprising turn of events, Sam Altman, the former CEO of OpenAI, has hinted at a possible return to the company. This news comes shortly after Altman's removal from his position due to concerns about his communication style. The departure. Altman's departure from OpenAI was met with shock and confusion. As CEO, Altman was instrumental in driving the company's vision and strategy. His removal was attributed to a lack of consistent candidness in his communications to the power of 6, a decision that left many wondering about the future of OpenAI. The aftermath. Following Altman's removal, there were reports of investor pressure on the OpenAI board to reinstate him. Altman himself added fuel to the fire by hinting at a possible return. Altman's legacy at OpenAI. Under Altman's leadership, OpenAI made significant strides in the field of artificial intelligence. The company unveiled its most powerful AI model to date and introduced customizable versions of its popular chatbot, ChatGPT, to the power of 4. OpenAI also launched a digital store and pledged to pay developers who use OpenAI products on their platforms to the power of 4. Altman's vision for AI. Altman has always been vocal about the potential of AI and the need for regulation to the power of 5. He believes that AI, if used correctly, can help solve many societal problems. His optimistic view of AI's future has been a driving force behind OpenAI's success. The implications of Altman's return. The possible return of Altman to OpenAI could have significant implications for the company's future. His leadership played a crucial role in the company's past successes, and his return could potentially lead to more innovative developments in the field of AI. Conclusion. As of now, the situation remains uncertain. Whether or not Altman will return to OpenAI is a decision that lies in the hands of the board and the investors. The tech world eagerly awaits the next chapter in this unfolding story. Stay tuned for more updates. Epilogue. This news of Altman's possible return has sent ripples through the tech world. It's a testament to his influence and the respect he commands in the industry. As we wait for further developments, one thing is clear: the saga of Sam Altman and OpenAI is far from over. This is a story of resilience, vision, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. And as always, we'll be here to bring you the latest updates as they unfold. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel Motivision. I and inspiration Samir Nagor. Thank you.